What's your name?
D.
What's your name?
D.
No, what's your name?
D.
That's how old you are. What's your name?
D.
Isn't it Xavier?
What?
Isn't it Xavier?
Yeah.
So I'm going to ask you again. What's your name? Hmm. Are you cool? Are you super cool? What's your dad's name? What's your mom's name? What's your brother's name? What's your other brother's name? Oh, do you have a dog?
Me?
Yeah.
Where?
Do you?
No.
Oh, do you have a cat?
What?
Do you have a cat?
Me?
Yeah, you.
No.
Do you have a fish?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Oh, do you know how to dance?
Yeah.
Let me see. Do you say bad words?
No.
Why?
Is this glasses?
Is it?
Yeah.
Does your brother say bad words?
No.
Does daddy say bad words?
No.
Does mommy say bad words?
Yeah.
Mommy says bad words?
Yeah.
Like what words does she say?
What?
What kind of bad words does she say?
Why?
Do you have friends? Mm-hmm.
Glasses?
No, do you have friends?
On my pillow?
You have friends in your pillow?
Yeah.
What are their names? James? Your friends in your pillow's name is James? What does he look like? Or is it a girl or a boy? A girl. Bye.